Good morning. It's Thursday, March the 26th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show, bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the halt, so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. I've got 4 great press releases for you this morning. No halts to report on at this time. 2 press releases from south of the border, 2 press releases from north of the border. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes out of a company called Northern Star Mining. They trade on the venture under the symbol NSM. Disclaimer time, they aren't a AGORACOM client. However, as always, the news is worthy of your attention. The company is announcing new drill results from their Malartic Midway project, which is located near Val-d'Or, Quebec. We're reporting on hole number 173, which has a couple of significant intersections. We've got 13 meters containing 5.6 grams per ton of gold, and further down we've got 7.5 meters containing 11.2 grams per ton of gold, and included within that we've got 0.6 meters of 182 grams per ton of gold. So great numbers coming out of Northern Star Mining this morning. A little bit about the company. Northern Star Mining is an aggressive advanced stage exploration development company based in Val-d'Or, Quebec. Its crown jewel, the Midway property, is an advanced gold property located in the heart of the renowned and prolific Abitibi Gold Belt in Quebec. Company's last at 58 cents. 52-week high of $1.18, low of 26, and the market cap of approximately $62 million. Moving on to Romarco Minerals, they trade on the venture under the symbol R. I'm sure you've heard this company on AGORACOM before. They've received an updated resource and reserve study for the Haley Gold Mine project, which is located in South Carolina. The company is announcing that total gold resource stands at approximately 3.26 million ounces of gold, so very respectable number. This resource includes a measured and indicated resource of 1.62 million ounces of gold with an additional 1.64 million ounces in the inferred category. The new resource represents a 65% increase from the previously announced resource estimate. And a little bit about Romarco. They're an emerging gold producer with its flagship property, the Haley Gold Mine, which is located in South Carolina and is undergoing bankability, feasibility, permitting, and continued exploration. Company's last at 45 cents. 52-week high of 49 cents, low of 9 cents, and a market cap of approximately $83 million. Now, we're going south of the border of the U.S. China Medicine Corporation trades on the bulletin board under the symbol CHME. The company is announcing financial results for the 4th quarter and the full year ended December 31st, 2008. We've got some pretty impressive figures here. Revenues increased 51% to $24 million for Q4. Total revenues increased 27% to $53.6 million for the full year 2008. Gross profits increased 30% to $5.8 million for Q4. Gross profits increased 25% to $15.6 million for fiscal year 08. Operating income increased 24% to $4.2 million in Q4. And for the full year, it increased 30% to $11 million. And finally, net income increased 26% to $3.5 million for Q4. And for the full year, net income increased 33% to $9.1 million or 60 cents per diluted share. So very impressive numbers coming out of China Medicine Corporation. What do? They're a pharmaceutical company that discovers and develops medical formulations and distributes over 2,400 pharmaceutical products in China, including prescription and over-the-counter drugs, traditional Chinese medicine products, herbs, and dietary supplements. Company is last at 74 cents, 52-week high of $3.05, low of 57 cents, and the market cap that stands at approximately $11 million. And finally, I've got one more Chinese company for you. They're called China Transinfo Technology. They trade on the NASDAQ under the symbol CTFO. The company is announcing record 4th quarter and 2008 year-end results. I've got some highlights for you from the 4th quarter. Revenue increased 176% year over year to a record $10.7 million. Gross profits increased 160% year over year to $6.1 million. And finally, net income increased 404% year over year to $4.1 million and 19 cents per fully diluted share. For the full year 2008, revenue increased 150% year over year to a record $30 million. Gross profit increased 164% year over year to $16.5 million. And finally, net income increased 150% to $11.1 million or 53 cents per diluted share. And as of December 31st, 08, company had $16.1 million of cash in the bank. So very impressive numbers coming from this company. China Transinfo is primarily focused on providing transportation information services in the People's Republic of China. Company is lost at $3.10, 52-week high of $7.40, low of $2.20, and the market cap of approximately $70 million. That's a wrap for today's show. Thank you for joining us. My name is Paul Kandakos. Please tune in again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.